Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple upside down cake. Now this is a perfect summertime treat. It's also very easy to make. So let me just show you how this is done. And normally when you're making a cake, you would have to grease and flour your pan, but in this case we don't need to do that. We're going to take 3/4 cup of butter and put it into a saucepan. And also then add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. All we need to do is melt the sugar and the butter together. And then we're going to be pouring this into our pan. Once the sugar and the butter have been totally melted and are well incorporated, it's time to pour it into our baking pan. Just going to spread it around just a little bit. Make sure it gets all over the bottom. And now it's time to line the bottom with pineapple slices. So you want these kind. You can use the chunks, but I think these just look prettier. Okay, so I got my pineapple in the bottom of the pan, and now I'm going to take some maraschino cherries and drop them into the center of each pineapple ring. And then I'll also probably put them in between each pineapple ring wherever there's an empty space. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. And next, what I need to do is make 1 box of yellow cake mix. I know I'm making it from a mix, but sometimes this really is helpful. So all you're going to do is follow the package directions on the back of the mix and mix up your cake mix. I'm not going to tell you the ingredients on the cake mix because everybody has a different kind of mix. So just go ahead and mix it well like you normally would. That should do it. And now just pour it right over the top of your pineapple rings. You don't have to go all the way to the edge with this. Just pour it in though and let it spread out naturally. All right. Now I'm just going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees until a toothpick in the center comes out clean, which should take about 30 minutes. I'll be right back to show you the next step. The cake is finally done, and so now I just need to flip it over onto another pan. So you want to do this right away while it's still hot. Just cover it with another prepared pan, grab it, and flip it over. Okay. And there it is. It's absolutely perfect. And now I'm just going to let it cool and then we'll serve it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.